Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight we're having a closer look at the Victorinox Fibrox 8-inch chef knife, an excellent budget option to have in your kitchen. But the question is, well, is it any good? I think so. Let's have a closer look. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase the Victorinox Fibrox chef knife or the Shun Classic, make sure you check out the links in the description below. As usual, let's start off with our size comparisons here, just to give you a feel for the overall length. So a 12-inch ruler, you can see here it's just over 12 inches. Blade, right around 8 inches. Let's have a look at the spine thickness. So here is a nickel. Okay, we can see here. Yeah, about the size of a nickel. And all the way down to the point here. Okay, there's a dime. You see just how pointy that gets. They're really, really great. Alright, let's get a weight reference here. Now, normally for my EDC knives, I like to have them around the weight of a deck of cards, coming in at 3.4 ounces. Here is the Victorinox Fibrox knife, coming in at 5.8 ounces. Now, if you're wondering how that compares to, let's say, a Shun Classic, that's coming in a lot heavier at 7.4 ounces. Alright, so I've been using the Shun Classic now for well over 10 years, and I absolutely love it. It's got the better steel VG Max, love that Damascus pattern, pack of wood handles, D-shape, very comfortable in the hand. However, when I got a hold of this bad boy right here, it's life-changing. This is like my lightsaber in the kitchen. Now, we already saw that it's lighter in weight, combined with this very ergonomic handle. It's made out of elastomer, and it gets actually really grippy when it gets wet. And I know it looks cheap compared to those nice wood handles on the Shun, but that just melts in your hand. It's just curved so nicely, and it's also upswept a little bit. It's elevated. It gives you a little bit more leverage when you're cutting. So look at some of that. Alright, I mentioned that the Shun had the better steel on it. VG Max got that nice Damascus pattern with the pack of wood grips. All of that's going to increase the cost of the knife. Now, the Victorinox knife here just uses carbon steel, high carbon steel, with just a monocrite of chromium to stop it from corroding. And it's very easy to maintain, very easy to sharpen. It holds the edge really, really well. I've had this knife for about 6 months now, and I've never sharpened it. And as you can see from the beginning of the video, it cuts really well. All I've been doing is just using a honing blade to keep it in line. Let me bring back in the nickel here just to show you again the thickness of the spine. Right, just about the same thickness as a nickel. And that's important because this isn't one of those cheaper knives that you get from Walmart that when you stick it in something and you try to cut, the blade is going to wobble around or bend on you. If you look at how thick it is here and how thin it gets up to that point, that's the sign of a high quality blade. Now, these are stamped and not forged, but still very high quality. And just as a quick example, let's take this apple down. Okay. No problems there. Alright, so this is just under a pound of ahi tuna here. So let me just kind of cut that off, put that to the side, and see if I can get a good Cuban in here. Oh yeah, it's just so nice. Nice, perfect cuts. Alright, let's line these up here. Okay. Well, you get the point. Cut so good. Well, alright guys, this has been your look at the Victorinox Fibrox 8-inch chef knife. If you're going to be doing a ton of cutting, you might want to think about this. Really decent steel, comfortable grip, lightweight in the hand. You're not going to be disappointed. Remember, if you want to purchase any of the knives mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.